Let's see. Real Slim Chadi writes, Dennis, I just flew from Sydney to Beirut. Wow. That's a long flight. I'm gonna guess that's not a non-stop flight. There are probably a couple stops there. Maybe through Dubai for something like that. I was able to visit Sydney. I had to cross Australia off the list for my continents. I was in Sydney for Christmas a couple of years ago. I was there probably in 2022 for Christmas. And you know how like when you stay at a fancy hotel, the hotel kind of gives you a gift, like a tray of nuts or like a basket of fruit. So I was staying at the Four Seasons in Sydney, and their welcome gift was they brought an entire Christmas tree to my room. I thought that was just awesome, and I used that Christmas tree. I would light it up at night. It was so much fun.